Working with spreadsheets used to drive me crazy, but with Power Tools for Google Sheets, I can forget all about those complicated formulas and endless masses of data. Look how easy things are now. You can do anything you want with text. For example, split to columns, remove and add substrings and characters, change case. You can combine hundreds of sheets into one. Update your table with the info from a lookup table. Find duplicates, combine them, or eliminate them. Compare sheets. Merge cells without losing data too. Count cells of a particular color. Find and replace in positions hidden to the naked eye. Formulas, links, errors, notes. And you also get tools like Unpivot Table, Random Generator, Shuffle Data, Flip Ranges, Convert Values, Modify Formulas, Clear Sheets, and many others. With Power Tools, you'll have a lot more time to relax.